Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad geometric challenge, and here we have a nice right triangle in which we have given the parameter of this triangle is 126 and the area of this triangle is 630, and we will find the length of all the sides of this triangle. So here if we named if you have this the vertex A, and we can name its opposite side of A is small a, and the opposite side of B is small b, and the opposite side of C is small c, then we will find the values of A, the value of B, and the value of C. So this is the our target in this problem. So here we just find the values of A, B, and C. So now you know that we have this is the right angle, and the side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse, and the side which join these two angles is known as the base, and this side is known as the perpendicular or altitude. So now first I can write here the nice Pythagoras theorem. So the Pythagoras theorem tells us that the hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. And now we put the values of hypotenuse, base, and perpendicular. So here we have our hypotenuse is c squared equals to base is a squared plus perpendicular is b squared. And now I can named this as equation number 1. And in the and here we given that the parameter of this triangle is 126, and we know that the parameter p equals to the sum of the length of all three sides of the triangle. So that here we can write our parameter is equals to a plus b plus c, and we know that the value of parameter is given that 126, so we can write it here, and we named this as equation number 2. And now again, if you see our question statement, we have given that the area of this triangle is 630, and you know about area of triangle. The formula of area of triangle will be written as half of the base multiplied by height. So our height is b, and in this problem you will we given that the area of this triangle is 630. So here we get a nice equation which is AB equals to, when we move this 2 in the right hand side, so 2 times of 630 equals to 1260, and I can name this as equation number 3. So here we have three equations, equation number 1, 2, and 3, and now we can solve these three equations, and we find the values of A, B, and C. So now first here I can write our equation number 2. So in equation number 2 I can write here this 2 implies that in equation number 2 we move the C in the right hand side, and you will get here a plus b equals to 126 minus c, and after that we will take the square on both of the sides here, and now we will use here the nice square identity on both of the sides. So here you have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times of ab, and in the right hand side we have 126 squared plus c squared minus 2 times of 126 and multiplied by c. So here we use the nice square identity on both of the sides, so that here we use our equation number 1. So our equation number 1 tells us that we have a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. So now I can write here equation number 1 implies, so this is equals to c squared and here we have plus 2 times of AB and the value of AB is 1260 equals to, we have, this is 126 and we write it as 126 multiplied by 126, and this is plus C squared minus 2 times of 126 is multiplied by C. So in the next step we will make a little bit simplifications here, and you see that this is the plus c square and plus c square are cancelled by each other, and after this cancellation we will obtain here 2 times of here you have 120 1260, we will write it as 126 multiplied by 10, because 126 multiplied by 10 equals to 1260, and it is equals to 126 multiplied by 126 minus 2 times of 126 multiplied by C. And in the next step you will see here we have 126 on each of the terms, so that we will divide both of the sides by 126 in this way, and after divide you will see that this 126 are cancelled by this one, and in the left hand side we have 2 times of 10 equals to this 126 are gone, and here you get 126 minus here these are gone, and you get here 2 times of C. So in the next step we will just make simplifications here, and we will easily get the values of C. And now you will see here we again divide both of the sides by 2, and these 2 are gone. We have 10 equals to, this is 2, 6 are 12, and 2 3s are 6, and minus these are gone, and you get here C. So this implies that we move the C in the left hand side and we move 10 in the right hand side, and you get here 63 minus 10, and we will finally got the value of C equals to 53. And now we will find the values of A and B. So in order to find the values of A and B, we will solve here equation number 2 and equation number 3. So now first we can write here equation number 2 implies that so in equation number 2 we have A plus B equals to 1200 A plus B equals to 126 minus C, and we will put the value of C here, this is minus 53, and you know that 126 minus 53 equals to 73. So here we have, I can name this as equation number 4, and we have equation number 3 will be AB equals to 1260. So this is the our equation number 3. So now we will solve these two equations, and we can easily get the values of the y here. So now from 4 I can just move A to the right hand side, and we have B equals to 73 minus A. So we name this as equation number 5, and we put this value of B in equation number 3. So this is the equation number 3, and we have A times of B, and the value of B is 73 minus A equals to 1260. And now we can easily solve this part of equation. So now first we multiply this A on both of the sides, and you get here 73 times of A minus A square equals to 1260, and now we will rearrange the terms, and we get here A squared minus 73 times of A plus 1260 equals to 0. So now we will make the factors of this equation. So now we will easily make the factors of this equation, and the factors are we write this 73 as minus 28 times of A and minus 45 times of A, because when you add 45 and 28 you will get here 73, and when you multiply these two factors then you get here 1260, and this whole equals to 0. And now we will make easily the factors of this equation. Now first I can take common A, and you get here A minus 28. Here you take common 45, and you get here A minus 28 equals to 0. So here we have two values of A. The first is A equals to 28, and the second value is A equals to 45. And now we have equation number 5 will be b equals to 73 minus a, and now we can put these two values here. So our equation number 5 implies that b equals to 73 minus a. So now first I can put the value of b here, then you get our b equals to 73 minus 28, and in this case you will get b equals to 73 minus 45. So when you subtract 73 minus 28, you will get here 45. So this is the value of b, and here you get the value of b equals to 28, and these are the values of a. So we finally got the two values of a and two values of b. Uh, and our we have third value of c equals to 53. So these are the length of the three sides of the triangle, and this is the our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.